We are at Tinga in the Bole district, Savannah Region of Ghana, as we continue our aerial and ground tour of the Wenchi Sawla Road, where nature of the works begins to change from urban improvement to full-scale highway formation works. From this elevated view, you can clearly see how existing corridor is being reshaped into modern standard road. The earlier drainage structures within the town are now giving way to large-scale earthworks as the project transitions into the main alignment improvement phase. Roadside drainage is one of the most important components of any road construction project. Its primary function is to safely collect and channel rainwater away from the roadway, preventing water from accumulating on the surface of the road and within the pavement structure. Without proper drainage, water can weaken the road foundation, cause erosion, create potholes, and significantly reduce the lifespan of the pavement. Effective drainage systems also help reduce flooding, improve road safety during heavy rainfall, and lower long-term maintenance costs. By protecting the underlying layers of the road, drainage structures ensure that the highway remains stronger, more durable, and better able to withstand traffic flows over time. These drainage works are therefore critical investment in the long-term performance and reliability of the road corridor. We now move from the town center of Tenga towards the outskirts. Down below, the road shoulder formation is actively ongoing. Dump trucks are continuously hauling and depositing selected gravel and fill material along both sides of the highway. These materials are being carefully placed to build up the structural layers required for the road shoulders. On the left section of the alignment, the bulldozer is actively pushing and leveling the freshly dumped gravel, spreading it evenly across the formation width. This process ensures proper alignment, correct elevation, and uniform thickness before compaction. On the opposite side, you can observe another truck offloading material in real time, showing the continuous supply chain feeding construction process. Nothing is idle here. It is well-coordinated cycle of hauling, dumping, spreading, and shaping. Further along the corridor, you can see the compaction work taking place with heavy rollers operating in sequence. This is where the material is finally stabilized, locking the ground layers into solid structural base that will support future pavement layers. From this aerial perspective, the importance of the shoulder works become very clear. These shoulders are not just edges of the road. They provide safety support, drainage protection, and structural reinforcement to the main carriageway. This section is being executed under Lot 5 of the Wenchi Sawla Road, handled by China Railway No. 5 Engineering Limited, continuing the major transportation of this key Savannah region transport corridor.